circling. Manifest it, write it down, you know it's happening.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my birthday transformation / glow up video. I feel like this is my third birthday transformation video, so this has kind of become like my yearly ritual almost. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be coloring my hair. इस बार थोड़ा extreme coloring करेंगे शायद, let's see. उसके अलावा we're going to be doing something for our face, then for our body. I'm also going to be doing DIY teeth whitening strips. I'm going to be giving myself extensions for my feet. There's a lot happening in today's video, so definitely stay tuned. Oh, one more thing worth noting is that today is the 9th of September. My birthday is on the 11th of September and I really don't have the time, so I have to wrap up my transformation today itself. So this is actually a 24-hour challenge transformation video. So I think without any further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so I think the first thing that we should do is color my hair, because I feel like that is going to be the toughest part and it's going to require a lot of patience from my end. And if you know me, I don't have a lot of patience. I'm not a very patient person. So I think it's a good idea to get it out of the way. Now, talking about what I want to do for my hair, I want to lighten my hair, not like a caramel brown that I usually always do. I want to go a little bit lighter. I don't want to do like blonde, full on blonde, but thoda sa lighter, like one shade, lighter than usual. And I also want to do like money pieces. So money pieces are basically the pieces that frame your face. Unhe bhi lighten karna hai, which I'm very, very worried about, because I've never really colored my hair from the root. I've always only colored the ends. So we'll see how that goes. So I actually did contemplate going to an actual salon to get it done, but because of COVID, cases are also rising, I thought let's just do it at home. I hope this ends up being a good idea, because this time I'm not going to be using box dye. I'm going to be using professional products which I've never used before. So we'll see how this goes. So कल रात को मैंने थोड़ा सा prep कर लिया था. So I gave myself a quick chumpy using the Merit VCO coconut oil. That's the one that I've been using for years and I swear by it. And then I went in with this shampoo. This is the Pantene's Advanced Hair Fall Solution Shampoo. And then this conditioner. So this is the Love Beauty and Planet का coconut water and mimosa flower conditioner. This combo together is something else. Let me start off by talking about the product. So this is the L'Oreal Paris's Blonde Studio 8 Lightening Powder. So professional. And then I also got a developer. So this is again the L'Oreal's Oxidant Creme 40 volume, 12% hai ye. I have no idea what all of this means. I just did a lot of research, and also my friend Shikhar owns a salon, so I spoke to the professionals there and this is what they recommended me. Abhi kuch bolne ko bacha nahi hai. I think let's just get started. Okay, so this is the before of my hair. Sorry, it's looking really weird because it was in a bun abhi, but for the most part it's black, and then yahan se you can see a few highlights, barely, because मैंने mostly सारे cut कर दिया. But this is what my hair is looking right now. First step is always to comb your hair out, get rid of all the knots and tangles. Step 2 is to wear something that you don't mind ruining. I definitely do mind ruining this, so I'm gonna go and change really quickly. Next, I'm getting rid of all of my jewelry. अब मैं बाल section करने वाली हूँ. First section is gonna be ear to ear. Maybe I'm gonna do 2 more sections. Sectioning is done. अब मैं आपको explain कर देती हूँ all the ingredients that you're gonna need. So this is the lightening powder that I'm gonna be using. Then we have the developer. Next, you're going to need a bowl and a hair coloring brush. Make sure that your bowl is either कांच का या plastic का, definitely not any metal. Then we have some foil, some clips for sectioning, and एक comb भी है जिसका end थोड़ा सा pointy है. So this is going to help us out with the sectioning process. Oh, and of course some gloves. Now let's actually make our hair color. So I'm going to start off by adding the powder. I'm doing approximately half a cup of the powder and then 1 full cup of the developer. This was the measurement that was recommended to me, 1:2. Now I'm simply going to combine the two. So the gloves are on, but before I start coloring my hair, I do want to give a small disclaimer that I am not a professional hairstylist. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I am a curious soul. I have done a little bit of research and I like to color my hair at home. So if that's the risk you're willing to take, you can definitely do this at home as well. But make sure that you do a patch test, make sure you're not allergic to all of these products, and do it at your own risk. So having said all of that, let's just get started. I have pre-cut these aluminum foil pieces right here, and I am going to be wrapping my hair in them. So here we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mainly concentrate the hair color on the ends, because I am going for a balayage, right? So just concentrating it here. And मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर भी लेके जा तो रही हूँ. कोई strand much more higher than the rest. So there's no method to the madness here. I concentrated most of the bleach on the ends, and then using the brush in a vertical manner, I blended it upwards so that it's more seamless. And one more thing that I learned is that you need to do this fast, because जो नीचे के section है वो जल्दी develop होना start हो जाएंगे और ऊपर वाले नहीं होंगे. So that is one mistake that I made. So definitely that is something that you can avoid. Other than that, sectioning is a blessing. Do not try to do this without sectioning your hair, because when you section your hair, you will get an even color. Like all the hair of your head will be colored evenly. So these are my 2 tips for you guys. Last 2 section बचे, तो I've kind of parted it in the way I will part it later. मतलब ये है मेरा parting, center-ish parting. This is what I usually go for. I'm going to continue doing the same thing. So I'm not going to be touching my scalp, but I'm just going as close as I can to the scalp. So here I'm just continuing with the blending on the roots. I'm not going near the roots, but as close as I can. And one thing that I did notice while editing this video is that I forgot to wear my gloves. So definitely don't make that mistake like me. Abhi I'm doing the front wala piece. So again, just concentrating the color in the bottom. And then I'm going to actually take the bleach really close to my roots for that money piece effect. Taking a small giveaway break. So this is what today's giveaway looks like. All the rules are mentioned on the screen. I'm also going to leave them in the description box below. So definitely check it out. So I'm done. I washed my hair and it's drying right now. I'm not going to show you guys what it looks like, but I will say one thing. I can already see a little bit of a difference. I don't know if I like the change or if I don't. We'll see by the end of today's video. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move on and give myself a facial. So this is what I'm going to be using for my facial. So this is the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxy Blast Oxygen Energizing Facial Kit. So I have used 2 variants. इसका ये वाला variant मैंने specifically नहीं use किया है, but this is a really easy way to give yourself a facial. My skin has been doing pretty well so far. I've been taking really good care of it, especially the last 1 week, because I know my birthday was coming up. I should actually show you the products that I've been using. So I've been loving this Dermaco's 30% AHA, 2% BHA peeling solution. This is really good if you have blackheads, but keep in mind this is a little bit intense, so if you have sensitive skin, maybe stay away. Then I've been using this serum every night religiously. This is the Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is the eye cream that I've been using. This is the vitamin C under eye cream. Really like it. And lastly, I've been also using the Gua Sha quite a lot. This just helps you kind of tone your face. I'll show you how I use it in a little bit. I'll be using it today. Before you get started with the facial, let's go ahead and make a quick green smoothie, because I mean, it's nice to like take care of your skin from the outside, but it's important to actually even take care of it from the inside. So here we have all of the ingredients. So here we have some spinach, then we have regular apples, and then green apple, and then bananas, and then today I'm also adding some dates just for that added sweetness. आज मेरे पास ज़्यादा ingredients नहीं है घर पे, तो जो मिला वो डाल के let's make our smoothie. So here we go. So here I have my green juice. The color looks not the best, but let's do a taste test. Not bad. The dates really helped with the sweetness. So without any blabbering, let's just get started with our facial. Now this comes with 7 different steps. So this facial kit comes with 7 steps, and each sachet has like a nice description as to how you're supposed to use and what you're supposed to do for each step. So that's what I basically did, and I know it does seem a little bit hectic to do 7 steps, but I feel like it's worth it in the end because I could really see like a difference in my skin. Done with the facial, my skin feels and looks really, really good. I'm very happy with the facial that I did. Now we can move on to our like oral health. So let's make our DIY teeth lightening strips. So for this, the first thing that we're gonna need is some toothpaste. The one that I'm using is by Himalaya. So I'm just gonna squirt a little bit out, and then we're just gonna do a pinch of haldi, turmeric, and then mix. इसको मैं एक saran wrap पे लगाने वाली हूँ, and then we can use it as our DIY strips, teeth lightening strips. So I have my strip right here. So the recipe that I saw online, there they used aluminum foil as their strip, but it just felt so wrong to put aluminum foil in my mouth. So I'm going with cling wrap, saran wrap. This also isn't great because this is plastic, but I think it's better than aluminum for sure. So I'm back after 10 minutes, and I honestly did not think this would work because I actually thought that turmeric would stain my teeth rather than like making it white. But I do think 1 or 2 shades light हुए हैं मेरे दादा. I should have taken a before and after. But this is the close-up. Definitely you can see that my gums are a little bit stained, but my teeth are definitely a lot better. Like my teeth have gotten like yellow, I think in the last year, and I'm going to continue doing this because it's so easy, and yeah, it did a good job. So definitely try it out. Okay, so we are almost done. The last thing that I'm gonna do like for my face is I'm gonna be using this lip scrub. This is by the Face Shop, and this is their Shea Butter lip scrub. So just gonna apply it like a lip balm. Using my fingers, I'm just gonna work this in. Now this is a good lip scrub if you have sensitive skin. It's a really good one, but I feel like if you were to use some castor sugar and some honey, it would honestly do a much better job than this scrub. So if you don't have this lip scrub, don't fret, just make it at home. So done with the scrubbing, I have really nice supple lips now. Okay, now moving on to our other part of the transformation, which is gonna be nails. So as you can see, I have already done my press on nails, which I've already ruined with haldi, but it's okay. I'm just gonna run like a little bit of acetone over it and they'll become like fine and perfect. So actually I had ordered this really crazy pair from Nails by Riti, which was supposed to match my outfit, but I decided to change my outfit color altogether. So I had to go with my backup. This was my backup that I had ordered. So these are just regular French tips, and French tips go with everything. So that's what I went ahead and stuck those already. You guys have seen me doing that so many times, so I didn't want to bore you. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna give me some extensions on my feet. I'll show you what I've thought of. Let me just set up everything. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna be using some stick-on nails for my feet. So I'll link it down below. I got it from Amazon, and I'm gonna stick them on my feet, and then I'm gonna give myself a gel manicure using this UV lamp. So this is Mansi's, and I borrowed it for the day, and I asked her to give me white nail polish, white gel nail polish. So I'm gonna be doing my nails, feet ke nails white, because French tip se haath mein thoda match hoga, and white goes with all outfits. So I'm gonna be sorted. So very straightforward. Just gonna be using my Miss Claire ka nail glue in order to stick these. So step 1 here is to stick the press-on nails. One pro tip is that use the nail glue both on your feet and on the fake nails. I feel like this way the nail sticks on for a much longer period. So once I'm done with the sticking process, I moved on to the foundation coat. So this, I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. What Mansi told me is that you're supposed to do a very, very thin layer of the foundation coat, and then you're supposed to cure it in the LED machine for 60 seconds. After I did that, I used my white nail polish, did one coat and then again cured it for 60 seconds. Then I did a second coat and then cured it for 60 seconds again. Please do not judge my nail polish application skills. They suck, I know. And after which I used the top coat, again cured it for 60 seconds. So it's the next day. Are you guys ready to see what my hair looks like? I do want to give one disclaimer. Don't judge by the way it looks like right now, because the camera is making my hair look very brassy, very orange, whereas it's not that orange. It is a little bit orange, but not that orange. And I also personally don't know how I feel about it. I like it. Like in certain moments I'm like, what have I done to my hair? But this is what my hair looks like in 3, 2, 1. So this is what it looks like. I will say one thing, my hair definitely feels a little bit damaged. Obviously when you color your hair, it comes with that territory. Thoda sa damage hair, so if you're planning on coloring your hair, definitely keep that in mind. But other than that, nothing major. I do really like the way it looks. It looks really nice in like sunlight. So I think in the next video where I like get ready for my birthday, you'll actually see what my hair looks like styled also. Abhi to I literally just woke up in the morning with from like a braid, and that's what my hair looks like right now. Definitely looks like very summery and very like beachy. I do like it. Moving on. So last night, one more thing that I did for my transformation is I shaved my entire body. I did not want to show you guys that because I've showed it to you guys so many times. But one thing that I do want to add is that I used this Sirona razor yesterday instead of my Venus razor, and I do feel like I like this a little bit better, so just wanted to show you guys this. And then I used this body scrub. It's such a good body scrub. This is by Dove. This is their exfoliating body polish. It smells so good, like I can't explain to you guys. It smells like very vanilla-y with berries in it, and it's a very good scrub. Like it's a nice deep exfoliating scrub. So I scrubbed my entire body, and I also shaved my face. So just used a regular razor, shaved my face, shaved my eyebrows, my upper lips, did all of that. And I think that basically concludes my transformation video. We did my hair, then we did some teeth whitening, then we did nails. Oh, by the way, mere paon ke nails, I love the way they look. I am not the best at painting my nails, so it might not look good to you, but in my eyes it's really nice because I really wanted to go to the parlor and get my extensions done for my feet specifically, but I chose not to. And I love this like LED light. I think I'm gonna get it for myself as well. So I think that's basically it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm gonna make sure to link all the products that I've used in today's video in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.